Yes, friends. So the second lot of 9 nakshatras. Okay, I have discussed about the first 9 nakshatras or relationship between nakshatras and rashis. Okay, how they are put into the signs or rashis. 9 nakshatras I have just discussed about, and I just promised you that I'll take the next 9 nakshatras up to 18, means from 10 to 18. And the same process, you will just find that we have to add 13 degree 20 minutes to that nakshatra. Next nakshatra means, so to get the next nakshatra we have to add 13 degree 20 minutes into the previous one, that we will get the next nakshatra. So as I have told you that up to 4 signs, 9 nakshatras are included, or first 9 nakshatras are falling in or fall in 4 rashis, right? Now next 4 rashis up to 8th sign or rashi, okay, that is up to Scorpio. We have to take from Leo sign onwards. Leo sign means 4 sign past next 00 degree to 13 degree 20 minute. Okay, because 13 degree 20 minute is of the next nakshatra, which is Magha nakshatra. Magha is from Ashlesa nakshatra. Ashwini, Bharni, Kritika, Rohini, Mriksha, Ardra, Purnavasi, Pushya, Asulesa. These 9 nakshatras we discussed about yesterday. Just in the previous lecture. First, not yesterday, but previous lecture, A and B, we have discussed about those 9 nakshatras. And now I am taking the next lot of 9 nakshatras, because the similarity is this, that they are loaded by the same planets, Ketu, Venus, then Sun, then Moon, right, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury. These 9 planets are loading the same 9 nakshatras, next 9 nakshatras. So 3 nakshatras are loaded by one planet. Ketu loads 3 nakshatras. Similarly, Venus is the lord of 3 nakshatras. Similarly, next remaining nakshatras are, planets are also have lordship upon 3 nakshatras. Alright, so this is how the total 27 nakshatras and 9 planets. 9 planets will naturally lord 3 nakshatras. So this is how the systematic way is taken. 120 years, and every planet is allotted the major period. What is the dasha period, or this is known as Mahadasha period. Mahadasha means major period. This major period of every planet is utilized by natives. Now it depends upon natives' time of birth. Okay, when moon is falling in which nakshatra, and that nakshatra is loaded by which planet. Now in which planet nakshatra you are falling, or your date of birth, is time of birth is falling, and from that planet itself it starts ahead. Okay, suppose it is falling in the nakshatra of Moon. Moon is having 10 years of years major period, or the Mahadasha period, 10 years. Now if Moon's degree or Moon's nakshatra is having the first quarter crossed or second quarter crossed or in between, suppose it is in between, the moon sign of a person is in Moon's nakshatra. This is the taken here Hasta nakshatra. Hasta nakshatra is loaded by Moon. Hasta nakshatra. Okay, Hasta nakshatra. Suppose a person is falling in person's moon is falling in Hasta nakshatra, and Hasta nakshatra will fall in which sign? 5 sign past means Virgo sign, Kanya Rashi. Okay, Virgo sign, 5 sign past 10 degree to 23 degree 20 minutes. So this is how Hasta nakshatra is falling in. This is Moon's nakshatra. Suppose a person is falling in Moon's nakshatra, but degree of his time of birth or Moon's position is in between, suppose. Okay, so he has to utilize then 5 years only out of 10 years. Because 10 years is total period for Moon, major period. But suppose a person's degree falls in, or Moon's position falls in the nakshatra. Nakshatra's degrees are in between, not 13 degree 20 minutes, so in between 640 degrees. Suppose 6 degree 40 minutes, 6 degree 40 minutes plus 6 degree 40 minutes. This is equal to 13 degree 20 minutes. Okay, 60 degree 40 minutes. Suppose 6 degree 40 minutes have been passed and it is more than 6 degree 40 minutes. Suppose this is 6 degree 42 minutes, 43 minutes, etc. etc. So in that way, the remaining period is to be utilized by the person, or the person has to use this remaining period of Moon, which is the time period of Moon which has been passed, which is not to be utilized by the person, or native will not find the use of this planet's period. Okay, so initially at the time of birth, from time of birth onwards, the person will have only 5 years of moon. After 5 years of moon, then 7 years of Mars, Madhasa period of Mars, then Rahu is 18 years, etc. etc. So the planet's time period starts from that native's time of birth is falling in which nakshatra, and the lord of that nakshatra is which planet. So from that planet's period, next period starts. Okay, so this is how Mahadasa period, it starts from beginning and up to the end of the person's life. Okay, up to the time period when the person will die. In that period a person is dying, the remaining period will be utilized by that person in his next birth. This is how birth system is there in Indian Vedic astrology. Vedic astrology says that a person is taking next birth, next birth, next birth. If he is dying in a particular planet's period, in the same period he has to take the birth in the next his birth. Okay, so in that next birth he has to utilize that next remaining period of that particular planet. So this is how cycle of the person's life is running. Now if a person has got moksha, or he is a liberation of his soul, the soul is liberated, has reached to the God or whatever, so God, then the person has not to take birth. So this is how moksha or liberation of one's inner soul is to be found. Okay, that is being defined in the Vedas. Okay, now let us take that what are these 10 nakshatra. The simple same process of adding 13 degree 20 minutes, 13 degree 20 minutes. So the nakshatras are falling in which rasis, which signs. So signs I have taken here, nakshatras I have taken here from degree to degree. These are nakshatras. There, this is the extent of longitude of the planet of the nakshatras. Okay, of that nakshatra, and that is falling in extent in signs or rasis. Rasis or signs are taken here. Rasis, no problem. Extent in rasis means the nakshatra is falling in which rasi, in which sign from this point to this point. So number of nakshatras, sometimes 3 nakshatras are falling in one sign. Okay, a part of third nakshatra is also falling in that one sign. So this is how the four signs will include 9 nakshatras. So naturally, if 9 nakshatras are falling in 4 signs, that means one sign will have more than 2 nakshatras, sometimes more than 2 nakshatras. Because one nakshatra is having 13 degree 20 minutes, 13 degree 20 minutes, so it is only 26 degree 40 minutes, and remaining, because it has to be made for 30 degree. 26 degree 40 minutes plus 3 degree 20 minutes will equal to 30 degree. So to make 30 degree, the person has to start. Okay, or the person has to add this. So the 2 nakshatras plus third nakshatra is also included in one sign. So this is how 2, because 2 2s are 8 only, but there are 9 nakshatras. So 1/4 of the next nakshatra will also fall in that. Okay, this is how. So 2 and 1/4. 2 nakshatras plus 1/4 of next nakshatra will fall in each sign. This is how. And what is the measurement of that? That is up to you. Okay, so that is how we have to discuss about. Sometimes only 2 nakshatras are falling in proper manner, but other is not falling. So we cannot say that 2 and 1/4 of the next planet is exactly falling. Only in the beginning 2 signs, 2 and 1/4 of the next third nakshatra is falling in one sign. That naturally in the first series. For example, in this case, 2 and 1/4 of next nakshatra will fall in one sign. For example, here, suppose this is Magha nakshatra. So Magha nakshatra is beginning from 120 degree onwards, 120 degree 00 minute to 133 degree 20 minutes. Okay, longitude of that nakshatra is. So this is Magha nakshatra. 10th one is Magha nakshatra. Magha nakshatra is having degrees from 120 degree, because up to 120 degrees, those first initial 9 nakshatras were completed. Okay, so from 120 degree onwards, the next nakshatra will have or will occupy that angle. So that angle is 133 degree, because 13 degree plus 20 degree, that means the 33 degree 20 minutes. So this is falling in 4 sign paths, because in those 9 nakshatras, in the beginning or first lot of 9 nakshatras, up to 4th sign, that means Cancer sign was completed. Now Cancer sign plus, so Cancer sign, this is known as Cancer sign past 00 degree 00 minute to 4th sign past, this is, or Cancer sign past, or 4th sign past okay, to 13 degree 20 minutes. So this is one nakshatra is falling in this Leo sign. This is now Leo sign because fourth sign passed. Above fourth sign, next Leo sign starts. So this is the Leo sign, Singh Rasi. This is Leo sign of Singh Rasi. Okay, so this nakshatra, Magha nakshatra is lorded by Ketu. Ketu is having time period of 7 years. Next, from 13 degree 20 minutes to naturally 26 degree 40 minutes. So this is 13 degree 20 minutes to 26 degree 40 minutes. Now 26 degree 40 minutes plus 3 degree 20 minutes means 1/4 of the third nakshatra, which is here. And but one quarter of that nakshatra will fall in this nakshatra, and the next of this, next third nakshatras remaining degree, which is 10 degree, will fall into the next sign, which is Virgo sign. This is 5 sign past 10 degree. Okay, so this is third nakshatra. The third nakshatra is Uttar Phaguni. Second, 11th was 12th is Uttar Phaguni, or 11th is Purva Phaguni. This is Purva Phaguni, and some people write Purva, no problem. Purva. This is Purva. That is known as Purva, but it is Purva nakshatra. Okay, Bada U, Purva nakshatra. So Purva Phaguni, Purva Uttar Phaguni, Purva Phaguni, Uttar Phaguni. Uttar Phaguni is the 12th one, and Purva Phaguni is the 11th one. So third nakshatra Uttar Phaguni is 1/4 will fall in the Leo sign, because it was from 26 degree 40 minutes to next 5 sign past 10 degree. So here Leo sign is completed. After that Virgo sign starts, Kanya Rasi starts. Okay, Singh Rasi is completed, because in Singh Rasi 1/4, that means 3 degree 20 minutes of the Uttar Phaguni nakshatra will fall in the previous sign, that means Leo sign. Then Virgo sign starts. So Virgo sign will have 10 degree of Uttar Phaguni nakshatra, so 10 degree. So 5 sign past, that means Kanya Rasi now started. 5 sign past, 5 sign have already passed. Okay, so 5 sign past, 10 degree 00 minute. This is Uttar Phaguni nakshatra is lorded by Sun, and Purva Phaguni is lorded by Venus for 20 years, and Uttar Phaguni is lorded by, or lord of Uttar Phaguni is Sun for 6 years. Major period is for 6 years of Sun. Next, so remaining how much next nakshatra starts. So 5 sign past 10 degree onwards up to 23 degree 20 minutes. So 23 degree 20 minutes. This is your Hasta nakshatra. After Uttar Phaguni, it is Hasta nakshatra. Hasta nakshatra is starting from 160 degree to 173 degree 20 minutes. So it was up to 160. Third nakshatra, this I will talk about later. Let me first talk about the Rasis now. So Rasis, we are talking about Rasis. Okay, so Kanya Rasi started. Now Kanya Rasi is, now next nakshatra will fall from 10 degree onwards. So 5 sign past 10 degree 00 minute to 23 degree 20 minute. This is very, interesting here, because in the previous lecture, means I think lecture number 6A, I talked about something wrong. What is that mistake I committed? The mistake I committed was that I had read 7 degree 20 minute or something, but that is not 7 degree 40 minute. This is 6 degree 40 minute. Because if in 23 degree 20 minute, if I add 6 degree 40 minute, and plus 23 degree 20 minute, so 23 plus 6 is 29 undoubtedly, but 20 minute plus 40 minute is equal to 60 minute, and 60 minute is equal to 1 degree, and this 1 degree is added into 29 degree, that means 30 degree completed. So 30 degree will be completed if 6 degree 40 minute, and then remaining 6 degree 40 minute will fall into the next sign, right? So this is how 23 degree up to 23 degree 20 minute. Now next 6 degree 40 minute of next nakshatra, which is after Hasta, it is Chitra nakshatra. Chitra nakshatra will be 5 sign past 23 degree 20 minute to, now next sign has started, because only 6 degree 40 minute, not 7 degree 30 minute or 20 minute, no, it is 6 degree 40 minute, because 6 degree 40 minute plus 6 degree 40 minute is equal to 13 degree 20 minute. Why? Because 6 degree plus 6 degree 12 degree, but 40 minutes plus 40 minutes is equal to 80 minutes. But 80 minutes is equal to 60 plus 20. 60 minutes is 1 degree. So 1 degree is added into 12 degree. So this is 13 degree 20 minutes. Okay, so 6 degree 40 minutes plus 6 degree 40 minutes is equal to 13 degree 20 minutes. So in this case, 6 sign past 6 degree 40 minutes, because next sign Libra sign has started. So Kanya Rashi was completed. Kanya sign or Virgo sign was completed after 5 sign past 23 degree 20 minutes plus 6 degree 20 minutes, sorry 6 degree 40 minutes of this nakshatra, which was Chitra nakshatra. Of Chitra nakshatra, Chitra nakshatra's 6 degree 40 minutes will fall into Kanya Rashi or Virgo sign, and the remaining 6 degree 40 minutes will fall into the Libra sign, Tula Rashi. Next 6 sign past 6 degree 40 minutes. Okay, so this is how this sign is now. Libra sign started, Tula Rashi started. Okay, Libra sign or Tula Rashi starts now. So it is having now up to 6 degree 40 minutes. So this is which nakshatra? Chitra nakshatra. Okay, was completed up to 6 degree 40 minutes in the Libra sign. Now from 6 sign past 6 degree 40 minutes to 2, if I add 13 degree into this, 13 plus 6 is 19, 19 plus 40 plus that means 20 degree completed. It will be up to 6 sign past 20 degree 00 minute. It is up to 20 degree 00 minute. Okay, so Libra sign is having up to 20 or is completed up to 20 degree 00 minute. Now next nakshatra starts. So after Swati nakshatra, yes, now this is Swati nakshatra was up to this 20 degree 00 minute, right? So Swati nakshatra was falling in Libra sign, Tula Rashi. So Swati nakshatra is completely fall in Tula Rashi, right? Because after 6 degree 40 minutes, 13 degree 20 minutes, if we add, then it is equal to 20 degree. 6 degree 40 minutes plus 13 degree 20 minutes is equal to 20 degree. So it is up to 20 degree. It means Swati nakshatra fall completely in Libra sign, right? So Libra sign. So Libra sign is completed up to 20 degree. Next Libra sign after Swati Vishakha now. So Vishakha nakshatra up to 20 degree means 10 degree of 13 degree 20 minutes of next nakshatra means Vishakha nakshatra. Of that 10 degree will fall into this Libra sign. But from 20 degree 30 minutes, sorry 20 degree 00 minute to next, because 1 quarter is left over 3 degree 20 minutes, so that will fall into this Scorpio sign. So Scorpio sign starts 7 sign past 3 degree 20 minutes. Was 10 degree in the previous Rashi, and the next Rashi will have only 1 quarter, remaining 3 degree 20 minutes. That will fall into Scorpio now. Scorpio sign starts. The Scorpio sign is having Vishakha Nakshatras. Vishakha Nakshatras, only 1 quarter of Vishakha Nakshatra. 3 degree 20 minutes of Vishakha Nakshatra is falling in Scorpio sign. So in the same way, okay, SB starts from the beginning. Okay, from the, for example here Leo sign starts. From the Leo sign we started in the Rashis, okay, up to 2 and 1 quarter. Now 1 quarter and 2 nakshatras next will end the next 2 Rashis, or the next Rashis. So that means it will complete up to this Scorpio sign will be completed then. So the Scorpio sign will have 2 and 1 quarter of nakshatra. So 1 quarter of that nakshatra, Vishakha nakshatra, is falling in Scorpio sign, right? 3 degree 20 minutes. Now next 13 degree 20 minutes, 13 degree 20 minutes means 2 next nakshatras will also fall in, or that will complete this Scorpio sign. The Scorpio sign will be completed if we add next 2 nakshatras, 13 degree 20 minutes, 13 degree 20 minutes, because 3 degree 20 minutes plus 26 degree 40 minutes. So that will complete this Scorpio sign. So up to 30 degree of Scorpio sign is completed. Next Sagittarius sign will start from 19th nakshatra. 19th nakshatra up to 27th nakshatra, which are 9 nakshatras. That is in the third lot I will talk about. Okay. Now, so this is up to Scorpio sign, because 7 sign past 30 degree completed. That means Scorpio sign is completed. So 4 sign for first 9 nakshatras. Next 4 sign, which is a Scorpio sign, 8th sign is completed. So these 9 nakshatras are completed in the same way as B completed. Only one mistake I committed, that I'm just telling you, that I spoke that 23 degree 20 minute plus 7 degrees something, I think 7 degree 20 minute I talked, or 7 degree 40 minute I talked, I don't know. So not remembering that, but that was mistake of mine. So only in 23 degree 20 minute we have to add only 6 degree 40 minute, then it will be equal to 30 degree. So that Rashi or that sign will be completed, because one Rashi is having 30 degree only. So 30 degree will be completed if we add 6 degree 40 minute in 23 degree 20 minute. That will be completed. So this 3 degree 20 minute I was talking about 1/4 of the third nakshatra, means which is Vishakha nakshatra. The ending 1/4, 3/4 were falling in the previous sign, which was the Libra sign. Okay, which was in Libra sign here up to 20 degree, right? So 3/4 from 6 degree 40 minutes to 20 degree, 6 degree 20 minutes. So that was completed. Next 1/4 of this nakshatra, starting quarter of one nakshatra, means of Vishakha nakshatra, is falling in Scorpio sign. Then next 2 nakshatras, 3 degree up to 3 degree, because 10 degree of this Vishakha nakshatra's ending quarter, which is 3 degree 20 minutes. We got 3/4 up to 10 degree, 3 degree 20 minutes, 3 degree 20 minutes, 3 degree 20 minutes. So those 3/4 of the Vishakha nakshatra were already fell into this one, or were completed in Libra sign, right? Because 6 sign passed 20 degree onwards. So 20 degree plus 10 degree, so 10 degree of this Vishakha nakshatra were falling in, or had already fallen in Libra sign. So the remaining, the 4th quarter, this is 3 degree 20 minutes, will fall into Vishakha nakshatra, into Scorpio sign of Vishakha nakshatra. So remaining, the last quarter, means 4th quarter of Vishakha nakshatra was falling in Scorpio sign. Now Scorpio sign started. So now Scorpio sign or Vrishchik Rashi will have the next 2 nakshatras, which are Anuradha nakshatra and Jyeshtha nakshatra. So Anuradha nakshatra and Jyeshtha nakshatra are completely falling in Scorpio sign, because 7th sign passed 3 degree 20 minutes plus 13 degree, it will be up to 16 degree 40 minutes. 16 degree 40 minutes plus 13 degree 20 minutes is equal to 30 degree. The next nakshatra, the 8th one, which one? Not 18th one, sorry. Jyeshtha nakshatra. So Jyeshtha nakshatra, which is having 13 degree 20 minutes, is going to complete this Scorpio sign up to 30 degree. Okay, so this is how these 4 signs are including 9 nakshatras. Now come to the degree of these nakshatras. The degree of nakshatras, let me now talk about them. So these degrees of nakshatras are, as I have told you, that 120 degree onwards. This is very simpler one. So 120 degree 00 up to 120 degree we completed in though 9 nakshatras are falling up to 120 degree. Now 120 degree onwards, because it is to be completed, next 9 nakshatras will complete up to 120 degree more. That means up to 240 degree. This is 240 degree in the ending. Up to 240 degree, now it is completed. Next 120 degree, which is allotted to next 9 nakshatras, then it will make completely 360 degree. Okay, so this is up to 240 degree. Now come to the point. So 120 degree, from 120 degree 00 minute to 133 degree 20 minutes, because 13 degree 20 minutes plus 20 means 33 degree 20 minutes. So from 33 degree 20 minutes, next nakshatra after this Magha, then Puru Phaguni nakshatra starts from 33 degree 20 minutes to 146 degree 40 minutes. Okay, 146 degree 13. If we add 13 degree into 33 degree, that means 30 means 46 degree. So and 20 plus 20, 40 degrees. So this is 40 minutes. Sorry, 146 degree and 40 minutes. Now next nakshatra, Uttar Phaguni starts. This is Uttar Phaguni. Starts from 146 degree 40 minutes to 146. It is up to 160 degree 80 plus 80 degree, right? And initially up to this it was 80 degree in the previous nakshatras, because those three nakshatras were competing, sorry, those the Rashis, that was completed up to, because from 120 degree to, this is 120 degree to 160 degree, means 120 40 degree, it is 40 degree now completed, 20 degree, and this is 60 degree, that means 40 degree is completed by these two nakshatras and this one third nakshatra. So third nakshatra 13 degree, 13 degree, 13 degree, because 13 30 means 69, 20 20 20 is 1 degree again, so 39 plus 1 40 degree, 40 degree from 20 to 60 is completed. So next 40 degree, 160 to 173 degree 20 minutes. Next nakshatra is Hasta nakshatra. Hasta nakshatra will start from 160 degree 00 minute to 173 degree 20 minutes. Then again 173 degree 20 minutes to 186 degree 40 minutes. But if I add 13 degree 20 minutes in 73, it will be 86 degree 40 minutes. Now next nakshatra, which is Swati nakshatra, it starts from 186 degree 40 minutes to 200 degree completed, so up to 200 degree now. That means, okay, this is 60 plus 40 degree now completed, so 40 degree plus 160 degree means 200 degree, this is 200 degree completed. Next 40 degree up to 240, then 240 degree means 3 nakshatras, next 3 nakshatras are making 40 degree, so up from 200 degree 00 minute to 213 degree 20 minutes, 213 degree 20 minutes to 200 degree 200 to 226 degree 40 minutes, to 26 degree 40 minutes, right? 26 degree 40 minutes. After 26 degree 40 minutes to 40 degree to 40 degree. Why? Because 26 40 degree plus 13 degree 20 minutes will make it 40 degree. So these 40 degree again to 40 degrees are competing, are having 3 nakshatras. Okay, in 40 degree we make or we take 3 nakshatras. 3 nakshatras is making 40 degree. 3 nakshatras is making 40 degree. 3 nakshatras is making 40 degree. So 40 plus 40 plus 40 is equal to how much? 120 degree. This is how 120 degree of these 9 nakshatras is the second lot, right? Now how these years are calculated, and the major period is similar. This is known as Bimsotri Dasha. Okay, 120 years cycle of 120, or we may say cycle of Bimsotri Dasha in years, right? These are the major periods, total addition, total addition of these major period of 9 planets. So major periods the same way as we started from the first nakshatra to 9 nakshatra initially. Okay, so those were also added up to 120. Similar system: Ketu, Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mercury. Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury. So this is how these 9 nakshatras are repeated. Same nakshatra, same planets. Same planets are having or same lordship, right? So because in this way we will have out of 27 3 nakshatras allotted to every planet. And suppose, as I have told you about, that if a person's time of birth falls in one of the nakshatras of these planets, then that planet's time period is calculated, that in up to what period the person's time is there. I mean moon sign, or moon is falling in which sign, first sign. That's from that sign we can imagine about that which nakshatra is there. So out of that nakshatra, suppose the person's time of birth, or what do you call, time of birth is there, and according to the time of birth, moon is falling in one of the signs here. Suppose this is we have taken here the sign is up to Scorpio. Here we have taken, suppose the person's time of birth is falling in Libra sign, right? Libra sign. Now in the Libra sign, what is the degree? Okay, longitude of the degree. So that longitude we have to just find out. That longitude will decide about, or in the sign